Hey you guys, so today's video I am getting ready to walk inside of Tjmaxx. I hope you guys will stay tuned to see what I see. Hopefully I come across some of the cool makeup I've been seeing on Instagram, but I want to go in here and check it out, so let's see. And I'm walking in. The first thing I'm gonna stop and look at are some of the purses. I love their purses. This is an MK for $149. I like this one. It's nice and big. Has a cute little strap on it. Oh, it's really quiet in here today. This one is only $129. It's a nice size. You got that one for $99. That's cute with the little gold trim on it. They got different styles. Let's see, what is this? This is a Aldo purse for $34. That's pretty. $29. $199. What is this? Zach Posen. That's kind of cute. Okay, let's look over here real quick. I remember having a purse something like this when I was younger. My mom got from Mexico. $79. What is that? $34 Travanti. Here's Marc Jacobs. That one is cute. $99. It's kind of puffy. Steve Madden for $34.99. Radley London, $129. I don't see anything that's really jumping out at me. Everything is either black or brown. Are these the same ones we just looked at? $119. Yeah, nothing's really hopping out at me today. Let me go around here. This is a cute little backpack purse. I like the tassels on that one. And that's $34.99. Okay, I'm gonna get from over here because I came to look at makeup. So, and nothing jumped out at me. This is a cute little charm now. $258, $129, Radley London. Okay, I'm over here now. Let's see. Oh wow, it looks bare. Not much going on. Real Techniques, $6.99. What is this? Okay, I'm gonna have to pick all that up. Matte Cream Lip Crayon for $79. Who is this? Bite Beauty. So this is Bite, and it says Matte Cream Lip Crayon Collection. I think you get 18 colors. So that's here. Let me pick this stuff up. Okay, so I don't see much of anything unless there's another area besides this Becca. That's kind of cute. A whole little set for $12.99. Besides that, it's kind of bare. Some of the same stuff I've seen before. Still I'm gonna look in a different area. Hopefully I find some stuff. Hold on. Nope, just some brushes. Eco Tools Tropical Glow Beauty Kit right here. How much is that? $12.99. This one, $12.99. So they got a lot of brushes right now, but just no makeup. $7.99. And this is not the normal store that I would go to. I was hoping this one would have some stuff. I should have went to my regular store. This is $5.99. Let's see if anything hops out at me over here. Organic Botanic Face Scrub. That's clearance down to $2. Hydra Pearl Sparkling Oil Serum, $4.99. Andalou Naturals Creamy Cleanser, $5.99. Oh, they have the Avion facial spray, $9.99. I tried that before. I actually like it. Under Eye Cream by Clinical Works, $5.99. What is this? Intensive Hydration Serum with vitamin C and E for $5.99. And that is it over here. Well, since I didn't see much makeup, I figure I'll look at everything else. Here's some Sam Edelman shoes for $16.99. These are cute. They're kind of high, but those are cute. The width of them are kind of high, like platforms, but those are cute. Franco Sarto, $16.99 for those. Here's some Nautica for $19.99. What are these? I wouldn't get these, but Storm by Cougar. Here's some Kate Spade sandals for $39.99. These are cute with the little tassels. Oh, look, I saw the other ones, the cream color ones like this at Burlington just recently. How much are these here? How much were those? I don't remember. They're $49 here for the red ones. I can't remember how much they were over there, but they have some. Michael Kors, $49. Some more Michael Kors for $49. Some more Kate Spades. Those are cute. I don't really like that heel, that kind of chunky heel, but these are cute. Size 10, $59 for those. Rebels. I like the way that is cut out on those. Those are cute. Coach. The $12 are the Life Stride shoes. And now by the clearance. Let's see. Okay, they don't have too much of anything today in any department. Franco Sarto. These are kind of cute. Those are on clearance for $20, or yellow tag for $20. And here's some Carlos Santana. I think they're on clearance, but I don't see. Oh, $24. These are so cute. Look at that. Like little bonbons. And they say hello love. This one is We Go Together Like Salt and Pepper. And these are $3.99. They got a few Valentine's Day things. You had me at Tjmaxx. Stressed, Blessed, and Obsessed. Cute cups. I long for you. Oh, this is cute. Squad. $5.99. They have a few of their Easter things out. Here's some cups over here for $3.99. A little egg. This little dish right here comes with that little bowl for $6.99. This cake stand, that's really pretty, for $12.99. Not much out over here yet. This is kind of cute. $12.99 for that. Oh, look at that. $14.99 for this. I like this. $2.99. And it hangs so it swings. And this pink one is cute. It is $34.99, and the black one is too. Okay, you guys, so that is it for in Tjmaxx. I was like literally in and out of there in about 30 minutes or less. I didn't really see too much of anything. I don't know. This, like I said, this is not the store I normally come to, so maybe next time I'll go to my other store. But I thank you guys for coming with me. I hope you saw something that you might like to go get, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye, guys.